Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we are doing a Valentine's Day inspired bloom pour. I'm using a sky blue cell activator that I've never used before, so I'm kind of interested to see how that's going to work out. And some really gorgeous, beautiful reds, just different shades. So kind of wanted to celebrate Valentine's Day in the way that I know how, and that is to create some beautiful stuff, put it to some cool music. So with that, let's go. Let's get into it. Come on. Come with me, let's go.
I wasn't even sure if this sky blue cell activator was going to work. From all the research I've done, as long as it's an opaque color, it should work. Now, I've only tested Amsterdam paints, but it did work. And I love the fact that I have the freedom now to use colors other than white and black in my future bloom pours. I've been getting a lot of questions about where to find these powders, what spinner do I use, the machine that I'm using to blow out these blooms, and my recipes, so I'm going to make it easier and put links to all of those things in the description just for you guys. In my previous video, I asked if anybody knew where I could find some Australian Floetrol, and a whole bunch of you guys came through giving me a lot of good suggestions, so I just wanted to say a thank you to you guys. I really want to get my hands on that stuff because of y'all. It might actually happen. So thank you so much for your help. And here's an update on the bloom kit. A good friend of mine, Tish from the Artist Haven, tested it and came out with 5 gorgeous 4x4 blooms, and they all looked great. We did identify some shortcomings in the kit itself, and I'm putting some polish on that. And as soon as I do, they will be in the Shopify store for all of you guys that were interested in it.
Hey guys, I hope you loved it. If you're having issues yourself doing bloom pours, click into this playlist right here. If you're having issues with inspiration and you're kind of in a drought right now, I put a playlist right here for you guys. And if you want to just continue the journey with me, click into the video below. And I will see you in the next video.